You are blessed with a vast arable land and you grow a lot of maize. But let me tell you something. Last night, I was so sad. A farmer came to me and told me his problems, especially rice. Now, the rice that they produce in the 5 northern regions, they can't get buyers because the rice, 50 kg, is 650 Ghana cedis, whereas imported rice is 400 cedis. How can you sell your rice? The solution to the problem is simple. We have to give subsidies to farmers, fertilizers, chemicals, because other countries, India, China, and the rest that grow rice, they give subsidies to their farmers. But here, we don't have subsidies. So the cost of production is so high, and therefore they cannot compete with the foreign companies. That is why we still have their rice here in the warehouses, and they don't have buyers. They should vote for Ohene Agyapong. I am going to supply you with fertilizers, free, chemicals, free, so that your cost will come down.